guys, so this example number 1 says prove that the following two triangles are similar and write the similarity statement. So in order to prove that two triangles are similar, we must prove that two angles are the exact same. Well, the first step is they have given us one, so that is amazing. So we know that angle E equals 35 degrees and angle T equals 35 degrees. So down here, angle E equals angle T. Now there's only one step left. We have to prove that one more angle is the exact same. So since we look at the other two angles that they gave us, angle F, which was 65, and angle S, which is 80, they are not the same. So if we look at this bubble right here, it says since the angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees, we know that angle G, which is this angle right here, equals 180. So I'll write that. Angle G equals 180. Subtract 65, which was this one right here. So minus 65. And then minus the 35 we got here. So minus 35. When you do the math there, you end up with 80 degrees. So now we know that angle G is 80 degrees and angle S is 80 degrees. So we can write that down here. Angle G equals angle S. Now, because we have proved now that two angles inside these triangles are the exact same, we can now say that therefore triangle, and order is super important. So we'll do the 65 first, so F, and then E, and then G is similar to triangle. We have to do the same order. So F was 65 degrees, so that means U is 65 degrees. Then we did the 35, which was the E, so now we have to do T. And the last one we did was G. We figured that to be 80, so that means S is 80. Oops, wrong one. And there you did. You proved it. The end.